So this is the delay line going through the delay line with added multipath of 6 microseconds. And here you can see the 6. Now you're going to add another.
Yes, we're going to put the
multipath.
60. So you'll have the 6 and the 60. Ready?
So here's where we are now using 2 multipaths through the various connections. So we'll have the main signal, and then we'll have a 6 and a 60 microsecond
Correct. In parallel
multipath.
with the internal.
So you'll have 3 outputs from the delay line, the main bang, and then 2 multipath interferers, which would be 6 and 60. And my reflection, and there they are. If I move, and if you could move, Bob.
I was going to get something blocked.
Yeah,
there we go. That's good. So now what we're doing is moving the pulse around. That's 100 microseconds full sweep, I believe. And watch the pulse move in. Yep. And notice there's still the main bang also, so this is true multipath.
That's 0 there. With no delay at all and no multipath.
Straight through the delay line.
Correct. And as I add delay, all that you see is a reduction in the signal level because you get some loss through the delays.
Now, Joe, you're going to add some multipath?
Yes, now I'm going to add 0 delay in parallel with the 0 delay through the main system, and you get this constructive and destructive addition because you have two signals that recombine on the other side, and sometimes they add, sometimes they subtract. Now as I add some delay through the main path, that constructive and destructive addition, it could come back together again depending on exactly how we have it configured. But right now with just the first 0 bit, you get that kind of response. That's the second delay, third delay, fourth delay. Now I'm going to add 0 and 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3.
So that's true representation of multipath in parallel with the main signal.
Right. Right, and this is why you don't like it, because it messes up your... You know what I mean?
Well, go ahead and do it.
So what we're doing now is we're moving this guy relative to these guys.
He's triggering on the highest peak, then it's all relative to that in this time domain. So these two move around underneath that.
So now when I move this far out, that one actually moves behind it.
Yep.
It's moving even behind it even further. We can't see it.
Here it comes.
Yeah. So really, this is the only one that really makes. Although that one's interesting too, because it actually moves it behind it.
Because oftentimes you get multipath where the shorter path is of lower amplitude.
Right.
And there's something like if you get a bounce off of a water tower.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's going to be the higher amplitude path, even though it's longer.
This is exactly the way they're going to use the system.